All right, I know I'm off camera, guys, and you're looking at me, but I'm Dr. Denise Ranowski, and I'm with Jackie and Bill Lambert, or Lambert, as I like to say, with my French background. Jack, let's start with you. You did the program before your husband, correct?
Yes, I did.
And what year was that?
It was 4 years ago.
Okay. Why do you continue to come to our wellness center?
I absolutely love it to begin with, but it has helped me so much physically, mentally. I feel better now than I ever have in my life.
Do you mind me asking your age?
Let's just say I'm over 65.
Fantastic. That's all you got to say. You don't look it. You don't look it.
Thank you.
Did you have to convince your hubby to do the program, or did you do it alone?
A little bit of convincing. Not that much, but a little bit.
All right.
He was ready.
Do you remember what your results were on the program, as far as weight loss or change in
Well, I'd say weight loss was about 8 pounds. My major change was in my physical strength. I had a minor stroke, and my neurologist suggested that I really needed to exercise and rebuild, and I can honestly say now I'm stronger.
And how's the chiropractic helped you?
Chiropractic is wonderful. I couldn't live without it.
Had you been a chiropractic patient prior to?
I had been, yes.
Any different approach with it or feelings
Oh,
about
yes.
it? Okay.
Much different. I feel so good after I have an adjustment. I can even come in with a cold, get an adjustment, and voila, it's fine, you know.
So how did you start?
I started because Jackie asked me to start.
Good.
And I sold the results.
Happy wife, happy life, or happy life, happy wife?
You want
But
to be
yeah.
happy, you want to be right. And I'm going to be happy.
Absolutely. Okay, good.
And I saw what was happening with Jackie, how much better she felt, and I decided to do it. And I feel better now than 10, 20 years ago.
Fantastic.
I
Good.
used to run 5K races, but I feel more enthusiastic about life. I'm still teaching in the classroom every day. I'm still teaching 2 nights a week, and I'm enjoying life. I'm enjoying the golf game. It hasn't helped my golf game that much. A little bit. But I feel stronger.
You know, there's a ton of wellness programs out there, tons and tons of chiropractors. What is unique about 8 Weeks to Wellness? What for you? What's the difference?
For me, I need the motivation of a trainer.
Okay.
And we have a facility right within 100 yards of our house. And when I go to see Eric and work out or go to the HIIT training, I just feel much better about me. I'm enthusiastic about working out. And then the adjustment is just like the extra little bit.
Beautiful. Have you referred patients to the program?
Yes, we have.
I'll say. I think you have. I know they've come in for sure. So.
And our daughter comes in, and our
And
grandchildren
your grandchildren?
come in.
Yeah, we sure do. Has it had any type of impact on your marriage as far as the wellness aspect of your marriage?
You don't want me to get personal, do you?
No, not in that regard. That's funny.
No,
but I'm
it's,
sure it's helped that.
I'm more enthusiastic about our marriage. And
Okay.
we have more time
We
to
just have
do
more
stuff.
energy
More
to
energy.
do things.
Fantastic.
We have the enthusiasm.
Yeah. Well, you're one of the most beautiful couples inside and out in our practice. So thank you very much. And do we have your permission to use this video with other promotional items for doctors and patients? Okay.
We would do anything.
It's done a lot for us. It really has.
Fantastic. Thank you.